Hey everyone! Welcome back! Today we'll be discussing some simple but very effective ways to keep your body healthy and your mind sharp that will all help promote healthier and faster growing hair. Some of these were puzzling, but they do work. Definitely. This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of F.A.S.T shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%.
Squash is a great way to get fit and improve your health. Playing squash can help to relieve stress and anxiety, and improve your mood. It's also a great way to socialize and meet new people. Because squash is a cognitively demanding sport, it can help to improve your mental sharpness and reaction time. Playing squash can help to keep your mind sharp and delay the onset of age-related cognitive decline. So, if you're looking for a way to boost your health, why not give squash a try? Elderberry is a fruit that has been traditionally used for its health benefits. Elderberries can be eaten raw, cooked, or made into a tea. Some people believe that elderberries can help boost the immune system, fight colds and flu, and improve digestion. Elderberries are also a good source of vitamins A, C, and E. So if you're looking for a way to improve your health, eating elderberries might be a good option. Sure, olive oil has some health benefits. But when you cook with it at high temperatures, those benefits start to disappear. In fact, cooking with olive oil at high temperatures can really produce some unhealthy compounds that can boost your risk of disease, which damage your cells and cause inflammation in your body. There are several health benefits of taking a shower before bed. It can improve circulation, relieve tension headaches, and even help to fight off colds and flu. Showering or bathing in warm water for at least 20 minutes before bedtime can help you sleep better and wake up feeling refreshed. So next time you're having trouble sleeping, try taking a relaxing bath or shower to consider if it helps you get a better night's sleep.
These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try F.A.S.T shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets of F.A.S.T shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun. So let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time.